when, in disgrace, with fortune and man's eyes, I all alone beweep my outcast state, and trouble deaf heaven with my bootless cries, and look upon myself and curse my fate, wishing me like to one more rich in hope, feature like him with friends possessed, desiring this man's out and that man's scope, was what I most enjoy contented least. Yet, in these thoughts, myself almost despising, haply I think on thee, and then my state, like to the lark at break of day arising, from sullen earth, sings hymns at heaven's gate. For thy sweet love, remembered such wealth brings, that then I scorn to change my state with kings. 当我失意于命运，为世人所轻视，独自一人哭泣，哀叹自己被放逐的处境，以无济于事的呼号，叨扰那充耳不闻的苍天，审视自己，诅咒自己的命运，羡慕某人有更美好的前途，羡慕某人的容貌，某人的朋友，渴望这人的才艺，那人的广阔天地，对自己最享受之事也感到最不满足。然而，正当这些念头几乎让我厌弃自己之时，我忽然想起了你。于是我的心境如同云雀在破晓时分从阴沉的大地腾空而起，在天堂的门前放声歌唱。因为你甜蜜的爱一经忆起，便带来如此的富足，让我不屑于与帝王交换自己的处境。